We have a problem with the executive, and especially that office. And I would like to say in this camera, that office of Salome, the CC, because the moment you realize that you cannot give the document, they cannot take it, they are influencing the planners at the sub-county level. They cannot pick your document, and here you are telling me I have not paid. How can I pay and I don't have an invoice? They refuse to take the document literally. Then you are told orders from above. When you see a CEC terrorizing all of us, because we are terrorized, that is not how to make Kiambu great again. You cannot make Kiambu great again by terrorizing investors. Allow me to say this, that it is not us on real estate people who are attacked.
My take to the executive is, it's quite unfortunate that we saw a policy being published on June 5th this year, where power is especially being consolidated into one office, the office of the CEC of Physical Planning in Kiambu, Madam Salome, which is so unfortunate because we have planners and directors on the sub-county level, and every office should be empowered to issue approvals. We should not be looking as developers left, right and center. Every day you are looking for the CEC to give you an approval, and we have technical consultants that have been employed by this government that can peruse documents and advise developers and issue these approvals. We cannot then now sit down as a county government and they are telling us that they want to now even empower that office more, which is being held by one person who again is even the beginning of all our problems as developers. And so what we are telling the county executive is, we are coming to you as partners and as stakeholders to have a conversation. If we cannot have a conversation that is conclusive within a period of 2 weeks that is going to be spearheaded by the Committee of Planning from the County Assembly, then we will take matters into our own hands. The law allows us to go to court or even go to the streets as well. Clearly, this is the only conversation and this is the only way that this government wants to engage. If they want us to go that direction, we are willing to go. But before that, because we are developers and we are actually learned people and we can engage, we are going to try and use other channels to have a conversation with them. But if they fail, we are also going to use other ways that have been provided for by the law to ensure that we are heard.
Today we hosted a brief and they have brought their grievances, which as the committee we are going to sit down and look upon it, and we are going to give the verdict after perusing all the documents they have.